It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Hi, everyone. YouTube family. It's I and Bixby Girl. Yes, thunder, lightning again. And we're under one of those T-watch things, which is at 3 a.m. Looks like another hour and a half, I guess. It's okay. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. I hope you're all doing a little bit better than we are. Poor baby girl. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Look at you. You can see yourself. Hi, everyone. This is Bixby. We love you. YouTube family, hi. Yes, I'm like a furnace. It's okay. I can relax, but I'm trying to. I am. I'm doing better, everyone. Yes, you are. You're a little mama bear. Yes, you are. Daddy's little baby, aren't you? I love you. Oh, no, not there, not there. You rascal. I think she's feeling a little bit better. All right, everyone. We'll talk to you later. God bless. Remember, everyone's loved.